Hey babies, welcome to a day in my life as a pastry chef for 3 days. So I have 27 orders to deliver by Wednesday. I then started off by blending my fruits. That's the consistency that I like. Cream the butter and the sugar, add the eggs, the browning, and get everything fully combined. And if you know, you know. Then I went ahead and greased the baking tins and pour the butter in. This is how I like my cakes, very thick and full. And you have to also be mindful when you're adding the browning, because remember that you have the blended fruits that give it that brown color. You also have the browning that you're going to add, and also you're going to have the sugar when burning, it's going to produce that dark color to the cake. So you have to be very, very mindful when you're adding the browning, because you don't want an extra black cake. Right, so this is how I like my cakes. They don't come out that dark. So yeah, that's that for me. The cakes are very full, and this was my first batch of cake. I then tap it on the counter to get the air bubbles out, and I then pop them from the oven and use a toothpick to test to see that they are well done. Afterwards, I pour my rum and my wine over it to get them smelling all delicious. And guys, remember, once you pop them out of the oven, you have to wet it immediately, right, while the pores are still open. And guys, I wish you could smell those cakes. Look at that, guys. We just have to allow them to go and soak. Yes, and this was my first batch. This was, I think, 12 cakes. This was the first set, and I'm now baking the second set of cakes. Guys, this is how they turn out. So I'm going to take these orders out on Wednesday. So I have quite a lot more cakes to bake, and I have some butters over there waiting, and a customer wants some icing, and this is how it is looking.